Today's lesson is while loop. So how can you use in Swift? So let's start. So create this first variable is the range, and the range is set 1. So while loop is if and for loop. Merge loop is condition and execute multi times. So while range is less than or equal 10 and print out range in range and range every education plus 1. So run this our code. So execute. So 0 is first time, is 1 value first time, so less than equal 10. So true condition, enter this while, and every time plus plus and value is 11. So 11 less than or 10 equal or 10 is wrong this condition, so stop this while loop. So thank you watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.